Hey plant lovers, if you're looking to add bold, dramatic foliage to your indoor jungle or shaded patio, let me introduce you to this showstopper, Begonia Rex Etna. Rex begonias like Etna are sometimes called fancy leaf begonias, and for good reason. Their leaves can look like they've been painted by hand, with red splashes over a smoky, dark canvas. Etna brings a touch of gothic drama to any space. No two leaves are ever quite the same. Rex begonias originally hail from the northern India, parts of China, and Southeast Asia, but the cultivars we love today, like Etna, are the result of years of hybridization. Etna is part of the Begonia rex group developed for indoor growing and stunning foliage. It's been a favorite among collectors and foliage fanatics thanks to its rich colors and distinctive patterns. Etna's leaves are large, heart-shaped, and edged in gentle ruffles. The base color is a deep, velvety purple to charcoal, with fiery red splashes radiating from the center like lava. The textures are just as dramatic. The leaves are raised and almost leathery, catching light and shadow in a way that makes them look alive. Paired with a thick red stem, Etna is an absolute statement plant. It thrives in bright, indirect light, enough to bring out the red tones, but not so strong that it scorches the leaves. Use a light, airy potting mix with good drainage. Keep the soil lightly moist, never soggy. Let the top inch dry out before watering again. It loves moderate to high humidity. We keep it cozy between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It does not tolerate frost or chilly drafts. While Etna isn't a garden bed plant in most zones, it does well paired with other shade-loving indoor plants. Try placing it near ferns, caletheas, or peperomias. In containers, Etna makes a striking centerpiece surrounded by low-growing trailing plants like pilea or creeping jenny. Etna may go through rest periods during winter where growth slows or leaves drop slightly. Don't panic, it's just taking a break. Keep the environment steady, avoid overwatering, and it'll bounce back in spring with fresh new foliage. And while Rex begonias aren't fans of being misted directly, place them near a humidity tray or pebble dish will work wonders. Etna is grown purely for its ornamental beauty. While it's not edible or medicinal, its ability to elevate indoor decor is undeniable. From brightening up dull corners to adding texture and drama to plant shelves, Etna is the designer's foliage of choice. So if you're craving color, texture, and a little drama in your plant collection, Begonia Rex Etna is a bold and beautiful option that won't disappoint. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Drop a comment if Etna's going on your wish list, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more botanical spotlights. Until next time, keep growing.